Next, I want to remove the background from my sketch. So I'm going to start by finding my swimsuit layer and moving that to the top so that I can see both. And then I'm going to use the magic wand tool over here. So I want to make sure I select that. I have contiguous selected and I put the tolerance at 50. I'm going to click in an area in the background of my sketch and I can see that it did a pretty nice job of selecting a lot of what I need, but I am going to zoom in a little bit so that I can get to these areas that are missing. So any of these spots that didn't get selected, I want to make sure that I get so that they don't leave white spots on my finished picture. Get my arms over here. I think that is all of them. Then I am going to go to select inverse so that I save the background or delete the background and keep my people. And I'm going to add a layer mask down here. Okay, so we can see, I'm going to zoom back out. It did a pretty good job of getting rid of things. I still have some kind of random bits, and so I'm just going to use the rectangular selection to just delete those pieces because I don't need them. This one's kind of a weird shape, so I think I'll do the lasso, right? Yeah, the lasso tool instead, and I'm just going to draw around my signature from before and just get that out of the way. Okay, and there we have our background removed. The next thing that you can do if you would like is to add your name. So I'm going to click on the text, horizontal type, and just add that over here. And I'm just going to put my initials and the date. So today is the 25th. Okay, and then I can play with this with the font size. I think I might go a little bit bigger. And I like something that looks like script, so not that. So I'm going to go to classes and I'm going to choose a script font that I like, how my name looks.